Welcome back, guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today, I would like to start the new playlist with also portfolios, but I want to test at the beginning of 2026, test the AI. So I will create different portfolios for each AI. It's going to be the ChatGPT, the Perplexity, Grok, and many others. We will see the gains or the losses by end of 2026 based on AI suggestions. I'm going to use just one prompt for each AI. And of course, we can't ask all of this AI because of the rules of financial advice. That's why I modified the prompt. So the prompt looks like this one. You're the best crypto analyst, analyze crypto market. Now create the best, not real, just hypothetical portfolio with 10 tokens for the highest potential gains by end of 2026. Based on risk rewards, charts, fundamental split 100%. So we need to ask him a split in percentage, not in money. Between the tokens up to your analysis in percentage, and give me the list with a short explanation for each token. Why do you think it's good token for this portfolio? Table like token and percentage. So we will divide the percentage and add the tokens based on 10K. So this is going to be the condition. So it's going to be the 10K and 100%. Use it. Let's ask it. It's deep research, by the way, because I have the Perplexity PRO. So let's ask the deep research. For this hypothetical portfolio analysis, what the risk tolerance? Let's use the aggressive one. Should the portfolio focus on established large cap cryptos, emerging the project with a higher growth potential, or the mix of both? Mix across the market caps. And on the specific crypto sectors or narratives, no specific preferences. Continue. All right, at least the Perplexity asked the additional questions. All right, diversified crypto portfolio allocation, 10 tokens, BTC, 15%, Ethereum, 12%, Solana 12, Arbitrum 13, Optimism 11, Render 10, Avalanche 10, Starknet 8, Chainlink 5, and the World Token 4. World Token? Portfolio holding invest in Tezos. So Bitcoin allocation 15%, price target based on Perplexity 150, 175 by end of 2026. So upside potential of 60 or 87. Core Tezos. Ethereum 12, the target potential 5K, 207K. And my target for Ethereum approximately around 7K also. Nice one. So 20 to 30, 200 to 300. My target was like 558, 59. Arbitrum average case like $1.50. Let me double check the Arbitrum. I guess the Arbitrum can have reach even the new all-time high, but who knows? $1.50. So it's so basically fulfill of the monthly gap. Maybe makes sense. Next one is Optimism, $5.14, 400 till 1K potential gains. Nice one. A Render $6 to 15. Nice one. Avalanche 38 to 82. Avax, I guess, can reach the all-time high also. Avalanche 82. Makes sense. Maybe. Starknet 54. Oh, it could be the my break even around the 45. Chainlink $22, just only. World Token $3.76. Probably I guess all of the things I created a PDF and share with you in the Telegram channel. Like if you want to read the detailed explanation. This portfolio is hypothetical for educational analysis only. Yes, that's why we have to use that prompt, not only for education purpose. All right, let's run it. So Perplexity 15. So at this current prices, by the way, guys, we invest. So we have the condition, a 10K, 1K and 500 at transaction. Done. Next one, it's Ethereum, 1K and 200. at this current prices, guys. Today's January 18, 1K200. Done. Sold 1K and 200. 1K200. Done. Arbitrum 1K and 300. Arbitrum 1K. It's really interesting how we're gonna end the cycle. Optimism 1K 100. Optimism K 100. Done. Render 1K 1K in AVAX. All right. Render. It's fun why the Perplexity add the render, not fetch AI. Render 1K. AVAX 1K. Nice. Chainlink 500. I guess it's more, like 500. And we get them like 1K to 300 more. I missed the StarkNet. Oh, that's why. StarkNet 800. And yes, 400 in the world token. So this is a portfolio from Perplexity. I'm gonna share this portfolio and link will be on the description below. We'll come back to this video by end of 2026 around that December and double check how it goes. Also in real time, any single day, you can even the bookmark this portfolio, come and double check how this portfolio will perform during the list of performed, the changes, the average price. But guys, once again, it's just experimental, so it's not real money. It's not financial advice. It's just experiment with AI analysis. Guys, I hope you like this video and I hope you like this series of portfolios. At least, highly recommend you subscribe channel and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.